Today, we have an incredibly tasty recipe for you, vegetable pancakes. These pancakes are packed with the goodness of onions, green peppers, tomatoes, and a hint of spice. So, let's get started with the chopping process and create these mouth-watering treats. Begin by taking half a green pepper and placing it on the cutting board. Slice off the stem and cut the pepper into small uniform pieces. Remember to remove the seeds and white pith as well. Now, take a small onion, place it on the cutting board. Chop the onion into fine pieces. Aim for uniformity in size for even cooking. Next, take a small tomato. Remove the core and dice the tomato into small cubes. You want to retain the juiciness of the tomato while ensuring the pieces are not too large. For added freshness and flavor, we'll be using some parsley. Take a handful of parsley leaves and discard the stems. Finely chop the parsley leaves to incorporate them into our pancake mixture. Lastly, let's add a touch of heat with a green chili. Remove the stem and finely chop the chili, keeping in mind your spice tolerance. Feel free to adjust the quantity according to your preference. Now that our chopping is complete, it's time to prepare the pancake batter. Take a large mixing bowl and add 1½ cups of flour. Crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Followed by 1/4 cup of milk and 3/4 cup of water. Using a whisk, vigorously mix the batter until all the ingredients are well combined. Make sure there are no lumps and the mixture has a smooth consistency. Next, it's time to season our pancake batter. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of mixed spices, and salt to taste. Mix everything thoroughly to distribute the flavors evenly. Now, let's incorporate our freshly chopped vegetables into the batter. Add the chopped green pepper, onion, tomato, parsley, and green chili into the bowl. Mix well to ensure the veggies are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Place a non-stick pan on medium heat and let it heat up for a minute. Once the pan is hot, pour a ladleful of the pancake batter onto the pan, spreading it out gently to form a circular shape. Cook the pancake until the top surface appears dry and the edges start to turn golden brown. This usually takes about a minute. Once the bottom side is cooked, spread a little oil on top, then carefully flip the pancake. Continue cooking the pancake for another minute until both sides are golden brown and cooked to perfection. Repeat this process with the remaining batter. Once all the pancakes are cooked, transfer them to a serving plate. You can stack them or arrange them side by side for a visually appealing presentation. Serve these delicious vegetable pancakes hot and enjoy them as a delightful snack or a light meal. That's it for today's recipe. We hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide on how to make vegetable pancakes. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!